Welcome to Unit 5. In this unit, you're going to learn how to manage your worksheets. If you look at the spreadsheet in front of you, you will only have one sheet at the bottom. So let's learn how to add more. To add more sheets, you merely click on the plus, and that will add a new sheet. To name a sheet, you can double-click on it and enter. If you prefer to right-click, you can rename and enter. In order to move a sheet, you can just drag and drop. You can even add color to your sheets. If I right-click, I can change the tab color to red, for example. And a different color for this one. Sometimes you want to make a copy of the sheet. In order to do this, you can control drag and drop. Hold your control key, drag and drop, and you'll see January 2. This is a much better way of copying a sheet as opposed to highlighting, copying and pasting, because it keeps the formatting of the columns the same. When you copy and paste, like you normally do, for example, highlight, right-click, copy, go to another sheet and paste. When you do it that way, the column widths reset to standard width and you end up having to reformat it all over again. So drag and drop is to move, and control drag and drop is to make a copy. Sometimes though you want to make a copy of the sheet to another file or move it to another file. In that case, again, right-click, move or copy. You can tick create a copy and then tell it to copy it to a new workbook or one that is currently open. So let's go to new workbook and OK. And what you'll see is it will make a copy of the January into a new book, book 6. Let's close that one. You could also create, or you could actually move it. You just don't tick create a copy, and you move it to another book, and it will leave this current book and move to another one. To delete a sheet, you right-click and you delete. Please be careful when you delete sheets, especially this one just deleted, but if I had something in a sheet and I right-click and delete, it will warn me. And the reason why it warns you is this is the one thing you cannot undo. So just be careful of that. To delete multiple sheets, let's say we wanted to delete January to this January 3, hold down your Shift key and click on the last sheet. They all go white, they are selected, and if you look at the title bar at the top, it says Group. If I right-click now and delete, it will delete all of them at one time. Alternatively, you could also, if I only wanted sheet 3 and 7, click on sheet 3, hold your control key in and click on sheet 7. It's now selected sheets that are not right next to each other, and then I could delete like that.